Hello. Hello. How are you? How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Have you been to the new art museum? Have you been to the new art museum? Not yet. Not yet. I went yesterday. I went yesterday. Did you like it? Did you like it? Yes, it was interesting. Yes, it was interesting. Would you like to go again? Would you like to go again? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Is there a discount for students? Is there a discount for students? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I would like a guided tour of the museum. I would like a guided tour of the museum. I like that idea. I like that idea. Can I take photos? Can I take photos? Yes, you can take photos. Yes, you can take photos. I just bought a new camera. I just bought a new camera. Perfect. Perfect. Do you want to meet at the museum? Do you want to meet at the museum? No, I can pick you up. No, I can pick you up. Great. Great. Hi, Alex. I have bad news. Hi, Alex. I have bad news. What happened? What happened? My car broke down. My car broke down. It won't start. It won't start. I think it has a dead battery. I think it has a dead battery. Is there a car repair shop nearby? Is there a car repair shop nearby? I don't think so. I don't think so. I need a tow truck. I need a tow truck. How much will it cost? How much will it cost? I am not sure. I am not sure. Do you have money? Do you have money? I only have money to go to the museum. I only have money to go to the museum. You can use my credit card. You can use my credit card. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hello, do you work here? Hello, do you work here? Yes, how can I help you? Yes, how can I help you? My car won't start. My car won't start. I can help you with that. I can help you with that. Can you fix it today? Can you fix it today? Yes, I can fix it today. Yes, I can fix it today. When can I pick it up? When can I pick it up? It will take me a couple of hours. It will take me a couple of hours. I'm sorry, Alex. I'm sorry, Alex. We won't get to the museum on time. We won't get to the museum on time. Don't worry. Don't worry. Are you mad? Are you mad? Not at all. Not at all. Do you want to go next weekend? Do you want to go next weekend? Yes, let's go out to dinner as well. Yes, let's go out to dinner as well. Great, I can pick you up. Great, I can pick you up. No, this time I will pick you up. No, this time I will pick you up. Goodbye. Goodbye.